Welcome back everyone. Now we are going to learn about human excretory system. So kidneys are the main organ of human excretory system, and the shape of kidney is like a bean. You must have seen kidney beans, rajma. The shape of kidney is just like the kidney beans, rajma. Okay, that is why we call rajma kidney beans, because its shape is like kidney. The shape of rajma is like kidney. Okay, and its location is above the waist, on our back side, just above the waist. Basically on the back side, just above the waist, basically kidney located, one pair of kidney located on the both side, left and right side. And the excretory units of kidney are nephrons. So nephrons are basic units which actually perform the work of filtration. So basically nephrons do the process of filtration and forms urine, and that urine consists 95% water, 2.5% urea and 2.5% other waste like uric acid, ammonia, some other nitrogenous waste. Okay, now let us see the diagram of human excretory system. So there are one pair of kidney, one left and right kidney. Both kidneys are connected with renal artery and renal vein, and then from both kidneys one tube-like structure arises, that is one ureter, and ureter ends with joins the one structure that is called a urinary bladder, and bladder is basically a bag-like structure, and there urine stored and then removed out through urethra. So what happens when in our body, so many kind of work always going on, always different kind of reactions are taking place. Due to those chemical reactions in our cell, different activities of our cell, waste materials are used as well. So those waste materials needs to be removed from body. So here renal artery carries along with blood all the waste materials from all over the body. Okay, then it supplies that to left and right kidney. Both kidneys are having lots of millions of units. Those are called excretory units. Those are nephrons. So nephrons do the process of filtration. Nephrons takes the waste materials and basically supplies it towards the ureter, the waste materials, and useful materials it gives it back to the bloodstream through renal vein. Basically renal veins are connected to both kidney and collects the useful blood. Okay, and in that way that pure blood supplies to all over the body. And here kidney, finally kidney, the nephrons absorbs the waste materials and supplies it towards the ureter. The waste material is having maximum percentage of water, and other nitrogenous waste are mixed in that water, and that filtrate is called urine, and that urine finally moved towards the urinary bladder for temporary storage. And when there is pressure on the urinary bladder, then urine is discharged, removed out from the body through urethra. In this way our excretory system works. This is the one of the most important system and life process, due to which our body becomes healthy, and we can perform all the work properly due to removal of waste. So we need to be remove urine time by time. We should not just store urine. If there is pressure of urine, we should not avoid to discharge it. We should discharge it uh, quickly. Okay, because the nitrogenous waste, those are urine are having those waste that needs to be removed. अगर हम उसे discharge नहीं करेंगे तो the bladder will reabsorb those waste again, and finally our body will reabsorb those nitrogenous waste again. Okay, so we need to be discharged. Now, one more condition sometime comes. That condition is called kidney failure. So in kidney failure, what happens? The kidneys do not work properly, so that due to that the waste materials are not removed out from the body. So in that condition, artificial kidney is prepared. Basically, there is a machine through which the waste materials, nitrogenous waste, are removed from the body through a process. That process is called dialysis. Through the dialysis, the waste materials are removed from the body, and there is a dialysis machine. That machine is connected to our renal arteries and veins, the arteries and veins which are found on our arms. Though that machine connects to this, and this is not renal, this is radial. Okay, renal is this which actually connects our kidney, and these arteries and veins are called radial artery and vein. So basically that machine connects the radial artery and vein, and finally takes the waste material through radial artery, and in that machine there are lots of membranes are there that absorbs the waste material, and then pure blood supplies back again to our arm through through radial vein. Okay, and then radial vein carries it to all over the body, that pure blood. So in that way that dialysis machine works and keep a human being healthy, and during that dialysis process lots of medicines are also given for all this work. So this is one of the important organ system of our body. Now you look at the screen.